Yes, Julius, but I'm not speaking. Thanks for reminding me. I'm waiting just because only seven students are there. So where are other students are not going to join? Fine, so no issue, Julius. We'll start with the students, those who are present. Till time, I don't think attendance is still left. Okay, fine. So let me take one by one follow. David, David, Iba. Okay, David. So, have you completed this data collection part? In the last lab, you were supposed to collecting the data. Okay, so that task is done. See, if you people are not aware with the flow, then before starting directly implementation, you must need to prepare GUI in your book. Okay, like suppose you are planning to implement any restaurant website, then you can prepare one box in your notebook. On that you simply write it down like total how many column you are, yes, like algorithm flow chart in short. Okay, like total how many column or menu you will provide, suppose home page, contact us, about menu. So those you can prepare. After that, suppose we are going to click on contact us, then what type of detail you are going to provide, that is fine. Look and feel, or you can say font style, or the places where you are going to write down, those things are not fixed, then that is fine. But at least you must clear with the set of information which you are going to provide on your site. So suppose if that paperwork is ready, right, so then after implementation is very easy. Because if you will directly start implementation, then you might not aware total how many information you are going to provide. And if something will going to miss, then again you need to start those pending work of those pages in future. So first clear this flow in the paper. Once that flow is clear, total number of pages, name of pages, main point of information which you are going to provide, those detail you must keep ready in that paper. Once it is ready, then you can directly start implementation. Okay, so you will get idea. I will require total two table. I will require total 5 points here to write it down. Suppose in menu you are going to provide different kind of dishes, then those items must be ready. So at the time of implementation, you just need to analyze that list and list those items. Okay, you are not required to think again at that time. So that is the benefit if you had prepared everything on paper before starting implementation. Okay, so David, what is your today's task? Have you completed this collection of data? See if it is feasible, please unmute yourself and do interact. How much task is pending? What you had collected, David, till time? What you had collected? Your project title is Technical Documentation Website. So what type of data you are collecting? What you had collected till time? Give me reply. Why you are taking this much time? Do reply. Okay, meanwhile, the next is Iba. Iba, are you there? What you had done till time and what you are planning to do today? Please unmute yourself if it is feasible, because here I need to wait for your reply. So I didn't get like whether you are listening, whether my message is reach at your place or not. Good, mic problem. So tell me what you are planning to do today. But at least whenever you will get time, David, you can reply. And you can write it down like at that time I am having network issue, but I am doing this and this and I had completed this. Okay, Iba, which page you are planning to complete today? Your flow is ready? How you can complete all the pages by within one life? 10 minimum 10 pages you need to implement. If you cannot recall, then let me tell you. Okay, fine. So blueprint of project. So for that you can take so many templates from the Google, right? On Wix.com you may find out some free template. Uh, okay. Or even you can simply use like those notebook. If you are simply going to prepare content, then you can use your hard copy. Yes, one that is wix.com, wix.com. On that you will find out so many free templates. Okay. Or even in a wireframe you are able to make the prototype like how your site will look like. Suppose on hard copy, if it is not feasible for you, then on that wireframe you can draw your site, you can design your site. So same whatever you are getting on a wireframe, later on you can try to implement. So you can easily get some fault and mistake if you are making in the implementation. Like as per your wish, you must have home page at a left hand side, but after implementation you are getting home page at a middle portion. So what change you need to do, that you can easily identify. So wireframe wix.com, that you can use. After that, Ingedaba.
Yes, ma.
What you had completed and what you are planning to do today.
I almost completed the navigation bar. Uh,
Okay.
Today I will do the footer maybe.
What you will do?
Footer.
Footer part.
Yeah.
Okay. So on the navigation bar, what things you had completed?
I have completed the sign up, login, and some logo and name title.
Okay. Fine. Good. Very good. Engage. Hasnat has typed. Is it compulsory to take template from the website or we can? Yes, definitely it is not compulsory, Hasnat. This is just to have an idea for you, right? Suppose you are not getting idea like what type of GUI, what things I should prepare, then you can get some idea from that online free template. Otherwise, it is not at all compulsory to use. Okay, fine. Gloria, Gloria, are you there? So total, how many things you had completed in last lecture, Gloria? Gloria, please do reply. What things you had completed in last? Hemanath, Hemanath, what you are planning to do today, Hemanath? Gloria, then in last, you had also completed home page. Then today what you are doing? Please be specify your answer. Hemanath, same question to you. What you had done and what you are planning to do today? Matthew, what type of menu? Gloria. Matthew, what you had completed and today what you are planning to do? Okay, fine, Gloria. So total how many things you had completed in this Matthew? Okay, fine. So menu bar is done. So after home page, now you are collecting the data. What type of data, Hemant? Your home page is done. Hemant, please reply. Hasnath, what you had completed and what you will do today. Good, you had kept ready your mess. Very good. After that, Nahum, what you will do today? Your HTML part is done. How many things you had implemented? Then what you had implemented in the last? Okay. Okay, wait a minute, Hasnat. Ryan. Okay, check your portal and have uploaded if you can see it. Ryan. I guess it's uploaded. Yes, student, please check your okay. Salamavit. BPM lab. Salamavit. Tudros. Very good. Tudros has also kept ready message. Menu and attach with systems. Good, Tudros. Home page is done and you are preparing menu and Salamavit and Ryan both are left to answer. Yes, Hasnat, now you can ask.
Oh, ma'am, in the
Yes.
exercise list, it's saying that we have to make the three web pages, right? One is a CV, resume, one is a timetable, and the registration form.
Hmm.
Apart from this, other are like the exercise, like what we have to do. So you said we have to choose only 7 options, right? From
Yes.
or we have to
Yes.
make right 7 web pages.
No, no, no. You need to choose 7 exercise from that complete list. Any 7 exercise as per your wish.
Okay, ma'am, got that.
Yes, Ryan.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Your home
Today,
page.
yeah,
Yes.
last time I did a home page, but today I might not be able to do anything because my PC got some issues.
Sorry. Today why you are not able to do?
Yeah, so, but I took it to the mechanics. I'll pick it maybe next week on Monday.
But what's issue? I'm not getting.
Today, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just following. I'm on uh, phone, using phone.
Why? Where is your laptop?
My laptop got some issues, mechanical issues, hardware.
Okay, fine. Then what you will do today?
Today, nothing.
No, that is not possible.
Hmm.
At least try to collect some detail. Like suppose
Yeah, I
apart
have information. I'm correcting my information. Yeah.
because apart from home page you are having so many other pages, right? So on
Yeah.
those
So I'm
pages
on. I
what
have I have 2 pages for now.
yes, yes. Okay, fine. So everyone just keep on working this. Johannes, Johannes, are you there? Can you hear me? Dheeraj, Dheeraj, are you there? You both have not submitted me today's
Yes, ma'am.
work. What you are supposed to do?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, Dheeraj, what you will do today and why you joined late? Dheeraj, why you are joined late?
Yes, ma'am.
Do reply Dheeraj, not yes ma'am. Why late?
Yes, I have already shown that example to you.
Yes,
Because,
Dheeraj.
ma'am,
Google,
clear,
Google it. It will provide you.
Yes, please speak.
In environment part, you have to write in which environment your project is going to be reached. Like when student is get confused, which session will come next.
Johannes, why you are joined late?
Work efficiently, right? So in which
hello.
environment your project will be.
Even you were absent in last lab. Today also you joined late. Only 15 minutes are there.
When you want to send the report, which you have included.
What you are implementing right now?
Upcoming exams timetable. This is the example of environment where your project is going to be tested and scientific. Clear, Mohammed?
Yes, Johannes.
For other example, you can refer internet.
No, you were not there. See here. You haven't replied anything for my question. You were absent. What you are doing today? Yes, Salamavit. You were not replying when I had asked you. What you will do today? Okay, Johannes. Salamavit. Yes, you can share. Okay. What you had implemented, Salamavit? Can you run your code?
Okay, so now you can write your enrollment number to your congratulations and make sure you are going to write your class name. Yuvraj, do not put the space in between TD and 1. Make sure you are going to write
Okay.
the class name in 1.
No issue if you are not finished, but I just want to see whatever you had implemented, how it will look like.
Yes, Gopal and Matthew, can you hear me? Gopal and Matthew, can you hear me? Just unmute yourself. Yes, sorry, Jack. I would like to ask the question that your group.
Darije, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What you had completed?
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm changing my project because when I'm doing it, it is very difficult because there is internet chatting. I'm selecting. I suppose it's very, very simple, but it is hard to understand.
No, now you cannot change. I had very strictly inform you that whatever you are selecting, strictly you need to work on that.
Because,
Difficulty
ma'am,
level,
it's internet chatting.
difficulty level
It's
you
like
have to
Facebook or
change before selecting your project.
because, ma'am, it's like Facebook or there is internet chatting. I'm selecting.
Yes,
But when I'm
at that time also I had informed you. Like it may be very difficult. But you had said
yeah,
no
yeah,
ma'am, I will.
yeah, it's not simple to doing.
And today is the
It,
last
it
day
takes time and
of
also it takes more experience on HTML, on
completed the
JavaScript.
Yes, definitely, definitely. But now you cannot change.
Yeah.
yes, yes,
So
what I do. I would like to ask
what I am doing right?
join the session.
How can
Sorry?
it? You tell me how can do it?
You need to work on this only. You cannot change the definition. Whatever modules you can use like that. That is not like you need to implement like Facebook. You can make some simple GUI.
Okay, okay, I'll try it.
I can register
Yep.
your name with 40. Okay, okay.
Yes, Johannes, you can share.
Yes. Okay, so whenever you come in the next
Can you run this code,
and
Johannes?
project
Okay, good try. You had
Yes, in next,
embedded so many things.
screen with that presentation. I'll see and whatever is the changes. And whenever we come
Okay.
to the next lab, make sure
These are the
that your
different
own group
pages.
members are there with time.
Fine. Good work, Johannes.
Okay, so in this canvas, if you have any doubt, you can ask.
Zacharias.
We are in a project that hello. Hasan.
Are you there?
Hmm. Hmm. Uh-huh. GPA.
Fine. So, thank you, everyone.
Mereka